What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I uploaded a video about me working on a car, so I figured I'd do one today. Oh, heads up, so we're still doing the giveaway. Boosted Lucille, the cartel website is in the link down below. You can pick up your t-shirts and you can pre-order hats. So I got boosted lifestyle hats that are on the website now too. So I'm slowly increasing my product, even though I'm still small. But I digress. We have big dreams, right? All of us got big dreams. So we got to start somewhere. But anyway, so what I was working on today, and if you guys haven't already, go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe on this video. So you already got the engine hoist in place. About to knock the turbo's already gone. Engine hoist is in place. I already took the motor mounts, bolts loose. I already misted it up a bit, so all I have to do is just take the bolts out for the motor mounts. I bet you're wondering, like, why you got motor plates and you got motor mounts? Well, I bought the motor plates just as for extra bracing, so to speak. And if I wanted to mount a mechanical fuel pump in the future, then I already have my plate here. I don't know if I could run a mechanical fuel pump with this Summit pulley. Maybe somebody out there already is. So if you are running one, let me know. I may consider running in one later. Right now I'm running dual 450s. Probably about to go to triple 450s. All right, so here it is. Well, I tried to install it and it got stuck. So I'm gonna take my bolts out and see if I can get that to pass over that K-member, over or underneath, no, over the brake line too. Yeah, I didn't even secure that brake line, but. All right, so let's see if we can get this in place and get this done. All right, let's work on it. Let's take these bolts out. Lift it up and get it out. Those motor mounts are gonna be a pain in the butt to get those things back in there. This is something I gotta get this. Might try to feed it from the front back. Oh, man, I wish I would have did this with the engine out. I forgot that. Hand in the butt. Maybe. You see how easy it's gonna be to put these bolts back in here. Definitely probably gonna end up trimming some stuff, or either just folding it. Might get in the way of my plate. So this has to be up in here, and it's got to be flush or tight as it can be so it doesn't rub on. The last thing I want is it getting caught up in my flywheel and then tearing it up and getting strings twisted around and stuff like that. So I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with this just yet. All right, time jump. So thankfully, everything, the motor mounts went back together easier than I thought. I guess because I didn't move it much. See, everything's already, tension's already off of it. So all I gotta do is tighten up the bolts now and it'd be good to go. So, and I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit. It's got a good gap in it now, so it's got some play so I can slide it back and I guess trim it and fold it how I need it. Probably gonna have these like right right in here. I think it hooks right here. If you want. Shout out to Summit, right? Summit Racing Equipment. Sponsor. Nah, I wish. So these are the tabs that come with it that, I mean, I guess you can put them anywhere. I think most people I've seen put them on their header bolts. So I don't know if I want to put this one here because that header's gonna get pretty hot. All right. And it's gonna be, so I can run it underneath or in front up here. I can put it somewhere up here. I probably will do that. I probably just put it somewhere up here. I could bolt it to my that's the thing too. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this to fit around my motor plate. Alright, well, I guess it's just gonna smash it up. There's no bolt. Well, yeah, there is a bolt that go down there. So I'm gonna have to drill it. Have to figure something out with this thing. Bolt comes really close to it. What I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move the strap up here. You have to see that where that strap is up there. I'm gonna move it forward so that it pulls the diaper forward this way and tighten it up. Set it on my desk, I'm coming. So that it tightens it up. Tighten it up. This bolt, that bolt, it rubs it when it comes by, so you can watch the other one. Sorry. So what I'm going to do, like I said, pull it forward. I don't know if that would even help much than it already is. You just run it, see what happens. Probably. Or I can shave it, just cut that notch out. Might do that, loosen it up, and take a razor blade and just cut it down around the flywheel so I know I won't have a problem. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today. So if you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe. And check out the website for the t-shirts and the hats. And we're still doing the giveaway for the t-shirts. So every t-shirt you get, you're gonna be entered into the cash giveaway. All right, I already put it out there, gotta do it now. So every t-shirt purchase gets you entered into the cash giveaway. And check out the hats, Boosted Life hats, in the link down below. So go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Boosted.
And hit the bell.
And do what?
And hit the bell.
For what?
Subscribe.
Hit the bell for notifications?
Yes.
Yes.